Hi netizen! Hello guys and welcome back again to my short vlog, and this is me again, Jai. So for today's video guys, I just wanna acknowledge and I wanna say thank you to the Bello Medical Group for creating this Bello Essential, especially to our Dr. Vicky Bello for having, for having this product. And sobrang talagang laki ng natulong sa akin ito guys. Dahil kung nakita nyo yung previous video ko, I posted in TikTok and also here in my YouTube channel in shorts about dun sa aking mga pimples or matatawag kong acne. Sobrang hindi naman buong mukha, but dito na side guys, talagang nagsilabasan talaga yung aking mga pimples. But because of this product, it's gonna wait. And thank you again guys, Vicky Bello.